For this workshop, you're going to need, as usual, 2 jars of clean water, which you change regularly, please. You will need some masking tape to tape your paper down, which is a nice stiff 300 gram or 140 pound paper, watercolor paper of your choice. So you will take that down to a board, please. If you are going to use a tracing, if you're going to copy this off the picture, you will need some tracing paper and some trace down paper. You will then need your 2B pencil, an eraser, because you might need to change something, your box of watercolour paints, whatever you have got, okay. All the colours are listed in the lecture with the colour palette. And you will need some brushes. I would suggest for this one you have a chisel brush, which is this sort of shape, about 1 centimetre or 1/2 inch, and a round tip, number 4, number 6, whatever you have, but with a nice point. You're probably going to need some absorbent paper as well, in case you need to dab anything off, should you make a mistake, in the unlikely event of you making a mistake. So I hope that helps you with the things that you are going to need. And now we're ready to get started.